How to care for Calathea indoor plants. Calathea plants, known for their stunning patterned leaves, require a bit of attention, but are well worth the effort. Here is how to care for them. 1. Light requirements care kit. Place your Calathea in bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch their leaves, while too little light can dull their vibrant patterns. Ideal spot: near a north or east-facing window with filtered light. 2. Watering gear tip. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid using tap water, as Calatheas are sensitive to chemicals like fluoride and chlorine. Opt for distilled or rainwater. 3. Humidity care tip. Calatheas love high humidity. Aim for a room humidity of 50% or more. Ways to increase humidity: use a humidifier, mist the plant regularly, or place it on a pebble tray with water. For temperature cure tip: keep the temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing them near cold drafts or heat sources, like radiators. 5. Soil and fertilizer. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. A mix designed for tropical plants works best. Fertilizer: feed monthly during the growing season. Spring and summer with a diluted liquid fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing. 6. Pruning and cleaning. Pruning: remove yellow or damaged leaves to encourage new growth. Cleaning: wipe leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and keep them vibrant. 7. Repotting. Frequency: repot every 2 to 3 years, or when the plant becomes root-bound. Pot: choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Benefits of Calathea indoor plants. Air purification. Calatheas improve air quality by filtering out toxins and releasing oxygen, making your indoor space healthier. Aesthetic appeal: they're unique. Vibrant foliage adds a tropical, decorative touch to any room. Non-toxic to pets unlike many houseplants. Calatheas are safe for cats and dogs. Mood booster: greenery is known to reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance well-being. Natural humidifier. By transpiring water through their leaves, Calatheas slightly increase humidity, benefiting both your skin and respiratory system. Adaptive beauty. The plant's leaves move in response to light, a phenomenon called humidity, creating a dynamic and engaging addition to your home.